The ice sheets in polar regions and glaciers, such as those in the Himalayas, have accumulated numerous toxic chemicals over the years. These pollutants include a variety of harmful substances that were spread through atmospheric currents and human activities. For instance, in Antarctica, traces of DDT, a dangerous pesticide banned in many parts of the world, have been detected. This contamination dates back to the Cold War, when extensive military activities took place in these remote regions. A notable example is Camp Century, a U.S. military base established in northern Greenland. During its operation, large amounts of chemical and radioactive waste, including DDT, were disposed of in this base. When the camp was eventually abandoned, these hazardous materials became buried under the ice. With global temperatures rising and ice melting at an accelerated rate, there is a growing concern that these chemicals may seep into surrounding waters, posing environmental and health risks to ecosystems and human communities alike. An interesting and potentially alarming consequence of polar ice melting is its impact on the length of our day. The current 24-hour cycle that we rely on may be altered due to the redistribution of Earth's mass. Since polar ice sheets are concentrated near the Earth's rotational axis, as they melt, the water that was once frozen at the poles will disperse towards the equator. This mass shift causes the Earth's rotation to decelerate slightly as mass further from the axis of rotation leads to a slower spin, similar to how an ice skater slows their spin by extending their arms. Though the change in day length would likely be minuscule and challenging to measure in the short term, the cumulative effect over time could be significant, potentially altering Earth's rotation